Easy. Change your address online with the NY.DMV. Step-by-step instructions. Changing your address with the New York Department of Motor Vehicles or DMV is a straightforward process when done online. Follow these simple steps to update your address efficiently. Step 1. Visit the NY.DMV website. Open your web browser and go to the official New York DMV website, DMV NY Change of Address. Step 2. Locate the address change section. On the homepage, find the change address link under the online services or directly through the change address online page. Step 3. Log into your MyDMV account. Click on Log into MyDMV. Enter your NY.gov ID username and password. If you don't have a MyDMV account, you will need to create one. Click on Sign Up here and follow the instructions to set up your account. Step 5. Enter your personal information. Fill in your current and new addresses as requested. Provide additional details such as your driver's license or ID card number and date of birth. Step 6. Verify your identity. You may need to answer security questions to verify your identity. Follow any additional instructions provided to ensure your information is correctly entered. Step 7. Review and confirm your information. Carefully review the information you have entered. Make sure all details are accurate, especially your new address. And in order for you to make sure that your details are all correct, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 8. Submit your address change request. Once you have confirmed that all information is correct, click on the Submit button to finalize your address change request. Step 9. Receive confirmation. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen. You will also receive a confirmation email from the NY.DMV. Step 10. Update your records. Make sure to update your address with other necessary entities such as banks, insurance companies, utility providers, employers, any subscription services. By following these steps, you can easily change your address online with the New York DMV. Ensure your information is up to date to receive important correspondence and maintain compliance with state requirements. Enjoy your new home. Thank you for joining us on this journey to easily change your address online with the DMV. We hope these steps have made the process smooth and stress-free. Remember, every small step you take brings you closer to making your new house a home. As you settle into your new place, embrace the excitement of new beginnings. Let the magic of fresh starts fill your life with positivity and endless possibilities. Special quote to uplift you. Home is the starting place of love, hope, and dreams. Author unknown. So as you embark on this new chapter, let your home be the foundation of all your future adventures and dreams. Stay positive, stay magical, and remember, every change you make is a step toward a brighter future. Connect with us. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring and helpful content and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Share your moving stories and any questions you might have in the comments below. We love hearing from you and are here to help. Until next time, keep the magic alive and may your new home be filled with joy, love, and countless beautiful memories. See you in the next video.